G'day and welcome back to the channel. Righto, it's review time. I got one of these compressors off eBay. Cost me $35, delivered to my door. So I thought I'd do a review on it. Comes with this bag, these attachments, a plug to charge it up with, and a accessory socket lead as well, so you can charge it up. So it comes with everything you need. That's the make of it. So yeah, we'll test it out and see how it goes. I think I'll let some tyres down and I'll check it with my tyre gauge first. I'll let some tyres down and we'll see how good this little machine is. Like, it was only $35, so you know, if it works out and you don't have a compressor at home that you can use, why not get one of these and pay $35 and check your tyres and that before you go for a ride? It's a cheap alternative, isn't it? So yeah, so I'll get to and let down some tyres and that and see whether this machine's going to work or not. Okay, here's a couple of the features. It has a copper motor. That's not. I'll read them out for you. It's got a copper motor, metal cylinder block, whatever that means, that has lighting, which is a torch. Check tyre pressure with the gauge, 60 seconds to fill the air, and quick connector, which is bullshit because it doesn't have a quick connector on it. But I don't know, so what do you expect when you're getting something from China, I suppose? But yeah, anyway, I'll let the tyre down on the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird takes 38 pound and 38 psi on the rear. So I'll let that down first to, I don't know, maybe 30. I'll drop it down to 30 psi, and then I'll use this to do that. All right, so stick around. Righto. I'll drop a bit of air out of this. It's already on 38. Alright, I've dropped it to just, I don't know whether the camera's going to pick that up or not, but I've dropped it to just above 30 psi. So I'll whack this machine on. Now apparently I have to put it into motorcycle mode, so I think you use this one down here. That's push bike, ball, car. That's in bar. So I put it down to motorcycle, and that's in PSI. So let's whack it on. I'll quick connect my ass. Alright, there you go. It's 29. I must have let a bit of air out to start with. But anyway, yeah, we've got to set it, so it's set on 45 at the moment, so I'll drop it back down to 38.5. Alright, let's go. There you go, bingo. All right. So I'll disconnect it now, and I'll check with my other tyre gauge and make sure that that is correct. Alright, here we go. It's probably around about 39, but I'd call that pretty good. I'd call that pretty damn good. Alright, I'll do the same test now on the car. I'll drop the tyre pressure down on the car, and yeah, we'll do the same test, but I won't let as much air out of this one. These little front runners always run around about 40 psi in there. I'm dead on 40 now, so I'll drop a bit of air out of it. I think it's down to around about 35. So we'll see what this one says. There you go, 34. Okay, so I'll set that on 40. There you go, bang on 40. I'll take that off. I'll check it with my gauge now. Bang on 40. Not sure if the camera will pick that up or not, but yeah, trust me, bang on 40. I'm happy with that. So there you go. In my opinion, I think it works quite good. The reason I bought one is because we're doing a run to Silverton to check out the Mad Max Museum in the middle of November. So it might be a handy thing to throw in the panniers. And yeah, so far so good. I reckon it's a good thing. If you don't have an air compressor, $35, you go around and check your tyres whenever you want. So yeah, it's probably not a bad thing. So anyway, if you like that, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.